Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing mango mint lemonade, a quick and easy summer cooler, perfect to enjoy in the summer heat. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm soaking half teaspoon sabja seeds, also known as basil seeds. Add in half teaspoon sabja seeds into a small katori and add some water and keep it aside for 10 minutes. It will swell up and double. Basil seeds helps to reduce body heat. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of basil seeds. Do check it out to understand more. In this recipe, I am using Alfonso mango. However, you can use any variety of mango available. Into my blender, I am adding in 2 glasses of water. I have roughly chopped the mango and I am adding it into the blender. Note that if you are not using a high-speed blender, you may need to blend or puree the mangoes first and then add water and the rest of the ingredients. Since I am using a high-speed blender, I am blending all the ingredients together. Add in the roughly chopped mangoes, 2.5 tablespoon Kansari sugar. For those who are new to Kansari sugar, it's a type of unrefined raw desi sugar made from thickened sugarcane syrup. It's neither bleached nor contains harmful chemicals and additives. Add in a handful of fresh mint leaves, juice of 1 whole lemon. If you're using small lemons, you may need about 1.5 lemons. Add in some ice cubes and blend on high speed until everything is mixed and blended well. The sabja seeds are now doubled and ready to use. To serve, add 1.5 tablespoon of the sabja seeds into a serving glass and pour the blended mango mint lemonade and garnish with a sprig of mint leaves. And my quick and easy mango mint lemonade is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and send me pictures on Facebook and on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.